Today topic name, all students again repeat. Today topic name AGS. AGS. Arithmetic Geometrical Series. Okay, very important topic. Very important. AGS. So write down a series formed by a series formed by a series formed by multiplying the corresponding terms
Sir, multiplying
the corresponding terms of an AP and GP is known as arithmetic geometrical series या AGS. AGS. Very important topic, very important. Any student, any problem, inform me. We first understand. First, all students, we carefully understand. AGS. AGS means कि any AP series or any one AP, a second GP, both multiply, corresponding, both multiply. This term is known as AGS. Means example, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus n terms. So this is known as AP ki GP ki HP. What is this? Tell me all students. What is this?
sir,
AP. Very good. This is AP. Of this 1 plus x square plus x cube plus n term. This is GP. Understand all students? Understand?
Yes, sir.
This is AP 135 AP 1x square GP. Corresponding multiply. This multiply this 1. This multiply this the 3x.
sir, 2x is 3x.
This into this 5x square.
5x square.
7x cube plus. This term is known as. Tell me. This term is
AGS.
AGS.
AGS. Understand logic? Understand all students?
Sir.
Okay. So this term is known as AGS. So what is AGS? Any teacher has the question exam time question AGS. So two term 1, 3, 5, 7 are in AP, 1 x square, x cube are in GP. So this term is known as AGS. Example write down, sir. All students write down example. This is AP, this is GP, or this is AGS. Write down AP, GP, and AGS. Complete the inform me. Any student doubt, they inform. Any student doubt, you not understand, again inform, sir. Vashni, understand?
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay. Ab now, write down. All students write down. Let the series of all should remember. First understand, again write down, sir. SN. A first term. A with the first term. A plus D. What is this? A plus D. What is this?
Sir, AP.
No. A plus D. First term A. Second term A plus D. Third term A plus 2D. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This inside plus, sir. This all plus. This is plus. A plus D, A plus 2D. Next, tell me any student.
Sir, A plus 3D.
A plus 3D plus next.
A plus 4D.
Plus A plus N minus 1D. Understand this line?
Yes, sir.
What is this? AP ki GP ki HP. What is this?
Sir, AP.
Very good.
Sir, AP.
Very good. Of this first term A, second term R, third term R square, Fourth term RQ dot 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 dot. Last term. Tell me R, no, this place. R
Sir,
n
A.
minus 1. R n minus 1. R n minus 1. 1 minute. A plus n minus 1 D into R n minus 1. Understand? Understand?
Yes, sir.
So A,
Yes, sir.
R square, RQ, R4. What is this?
Sir, AGS, sir.
AGS, sir.
So this total AGS. This total AGS. Understand? All should understand?
Understand, sir.
Yes, sir.
Up now,
Yes, sir.
this place, S place, R multiply, R, S. So this
Sir,
A,
yes, R, yes, N.
so this A multiply, R multiply the what value? This
Sir,
R
AR.
So this place not right, this place write down. AR plus this place R multiply the what value?
Sir, AR plus DR.
This place A plus
Sir, AR plus do DR.
R square. This no.
Yes, sir.
R multiply this, so this shifting this, R multiply this multiply the what value? AR 2D into R square.
R.
Understand? Understand?
Understand,
Yes,
sir.
This is R.
Sir, explain once again, sir. How, sir, in A plus D, R square will come?
This is RS, na? I multiply
Sir,
R.
okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
This R multiply, this also R multiply. R into R.
Sir, R square.
Of this also R multiply. R square into R. R cube. Yes
Sir,
or
R
no?
cube.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no?
Yes, sir.
This place R
Yes.
multiply to what value? So plus A plus N minus 1 into D power R power N. Understand? Understand? And,
Yes, sir.
write down up to all students, write down. Up to all students, write down.
Sir, yes, sir.
Completed, sir.
Complete the inform me.
Completed, sir.
Both subtract, all subtracts, minus. So what value? This minus this minus this. So this minus this, any common?
Sir, A.
Sir,
Eh, this
sir, yes, sir.
this minus this,
Sir,
any
yes, sir.
common?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, uncommon, sir.
So R minus N, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
that is not visible, sir. Sir.
Now understand?
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is equal to this place to no, sir. Simply write on A. This minus this, what value? Separate any place, write down. What is this? A plus D.
Sir, A minus AR only no, sir, will come.
A minus AR will come, sir.
What come?
A minus
A
AR,
minus
sir.
AR
Yeah.
will come, sir. Sir,
No.
AR minus AR only
No.
come, sir.
One
First
time
digit A only no.
this first digit A,
Okay, sir,
first
okay, sir.
digit A, second digit this na, this or this na, yes or no? Tell
Yes,
me,
sir.
this minus this what value? Remember all
Sir,
students.
how the AR is
What is
second
this?
term, sir?
A plus this place I write down. A plus D R minus A R. AR plus DR minus AR. AR common. So what value? Tell me. AR cancel to what only? DR? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Same?
Yes, sir.
This,
Sir, one doubt, sir.
tell me.
Sir, how, sir, their AR is second term? Why you are minusing with A plus DR, sir?
No. This multiply R na? This R and multiply.
Sir, yes, sir.
So this R multiply, R shifting this place na?
Sir, yes, sir. That means that only first term in the no,
This
sir.
is first term, but you subtract this or this na? This or this no na?
Sir, how, sir?
This is what value? Tell me. This what value? A plus DR into
Sir, that is it is in AGS, sir.
okay. 1 minute. You remember 2x minus 3y what value? Any value? No, na?
Sir, no value, sir.
Of the same condition, 2x minus x, 3x, what value?
Sir, -1x, minus x.
Understand?
Minus x.
So same condition, this place, this r multiply, but this no subtraction, na? Subtraction, r square subtraction, rq subtraction. Understand?
Sir, yes, sir, understood, sir.
Clear? Of this,
Yes, sir.
this subtraction, this or this what value? Tell me all students, this or this value? This subtract what value? Any student?
Sir, D. Sir, D.
Sir,
D, sir.
minus 3.
Minus d no, sir.
Sir,
Sir,
D
plus
only.
D,
Sir.
sir.
dr square, dr square,
R
dr square.
square cancel, no,
R
sir.
square cancels, sir.
Oh, this wait 1 minute. Again comes on. This multiply the a r square plus 2dr square. Yes or no?
Sir,
Yes,
yes, sir.
sir.
This multiply the minus a r square minus dr square. This cancel. Yes or no? Tell me. Tell me all student. Cancel cannot cancel.
Yes, sir.
So remaining what value? 2d square minus d square. So what value? dr square.
Sir, dr square.
Clear?
Sir,
Rana-
D R.
Same this or this value, same value. D
Sir,
R
plus
cube.
D R cube.
Very good. Next, D R 4. Yes or no?
R power 4.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So plus D R power n. D R power n. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Remaining one value, this remaining value, sir. So this value write down minus a plus n minus 1 d power r power n. This write down all student. R minus 1. All student write down. I think it's not clear. So up to I write again separate again.
Sir, written.
Wait. I again write down, sir. Again I write down. 1 minus r Sn is equal to a plus dr square plus dr cube plus dr power n minus 1 up minus this value a plus n minus 1 into d a whole power r power n. This write down up to all student. Up to all student write down.
Completed, sir.
Complete. This rough, sir.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Upside rough, sir. Lastly I give one formula. That formula I always apply. Not this step applies, sir. But Abraham, remember the Sn find. Sn, remember all student. Again come this side. Sn find. This into this side. This into this side. Divide. Okay, wait 1 minute. All student wait. Last question. 1 minus r power r Sn is equal to a. This what value? This what value? AP, GP, HP. What is this? This what? AP, GP, what value?
Sir, GP.
GP. Any common? Any common?
Sir,
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 D.
sir,
DR.
D common.
DR.
DR common. So what formula? DR common. So what formula? 1 minus
Sir,
r
not
power
visible.
n minus
Sir,
1.
upside not visible.
This formula? Yes or no? Sn formula.
Yes, sir.
Sn formula GP. Lastly, minus a plus n minus 1 into d a bracket into wait 1 minute. A plus n minus 1 d are into r power n. This is formula of this is not formula. 1 minute. This is not formula. Up to write down all student. Up to write down this. All student write down. अब Sn is equal to this into this divides A by 1 minus R plus dr 1 minus R power n minus 1 by 1 minus R whole square minus A plus n minus 1 into d power R power n by 1 minus R. This is a formula of AGS. This is formula of AGS. You remember only this formula. You remember only this formula. AGS is equal to Sn is equal to 1 by 1 A by 1 minus R plus dr 1 minus R power n minus 1 1 minus R whole square minus this. You all students remember this formula. All remember this formula. Complete the information. This is main. This is your formula. All
Completed.
students remember this formula.
Sir, completed, sir.
All students remember. So S infinitive GP formula. S infinitive GP formula. So S infinitive. All students remember. S infinitive of SGS formula. S infinitive of AGS formula. A by 1 minus R plus dr by 1 minus R whole square minus A plus n minus 1 into d by 1 minus R into R power n. This is the formula of infinitive. This not, only this. N power infinitive 0, so only this formula remember. Infinitive formula this. Infinitive formula this. S infinitive is equal to A by 1 minus R plus AR by 1 minus R whole square. This is infinitive formula. Write the question all students. One question I solve, other question you solve. These two formula, all forget, only these two formula remember. Only these two formula remember. Sn AGS is equal to this. S infinitive AGS is equal to this. Only these two formula remember or solve the question. Write down. All students write down. Completed.
Yes, sir. Completed.
I rough, sir. According to question what given? Infinity given. Generally question infinity type question asked. Generally question infinitive. The last formula most important for AGS. Write the question. Find the, all students write the question. Find the sum of series. Find the sum of series 1 plus 4 by 3, 4 by 5. 1 plus 4 by 5 plus 7 by 5 square plus 10 by 5 cube plus ... Only question given this. Only question given this. Only question given this plus, after plus 3 dot, your question this. So you understand this Sn from this sequence n term or infinity term? Tell me. Ronak,
Sir, infinitive.
after only 3 dot, that means infinitive. So this is infinitive. To solve this question, the first AP what value? AP 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10 plus ... Yes or no? Yes or no? GP,
Yes, sir.
GP what value? 1 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 square plus 1 by 5 cube plus ... Yes or no? Any
Yes, sir.
Ronak understand? Abhishek understand? So first AP. The A is equal to 1, D is equal to 3. Clear? Second GP.
Yes, sir.
A is equal to 1, R is equal to 1 by foot. sorry, 1 by 5, 1 by 5. This both value put AGS question or solve this question. Both value, A value 1, D value 3, A value 1, R value 1 by 5. So what formula? S infinity, what formula? Tell me any student. S infinity.
A by 1 minus R plus D R divide by 1 minus R whole square.
This na, this dr. This na, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
A is equal to 1, R is equal to 1 by 5, D is equal to 3, R is equal to this place put, or solve the question. All you should say the answer. What answer? What answer? Any student? Ronak, what answer? Abhishek?
Sir, answer 1 na, sir.
Answer 1. No. Wait, I check, sir. Answer 1. No, answer not 1. Answer 35 by 16. And this solve, no? Why 1, sir? This calculate LCM 5. So 5 by 4, this place, plus this is 3 by 5. This 5 minus 1, 4. So 16 by 25. So what answer? 5 by 4 plus 3 by 5 into 25 by 16. This cancel 5. So 5 by 4 common, so 1 plus 3 by 4. So LCM 4, 4 plus 7, 7. So 5 by 4 into 7 by 4, the 35 by 16. This answer, na? 35 by 16. This type question ask competition, this type question all students solve. Understand? This question all students solve. Next question again solve. Next question again solve all students. This question solve. 1 plus 4 by 3 plus 7 by 3 square plus 10 by 3q plus dot dot dot. Solve this question. 1 plus 4 by 3, 1 plus 4 by 3 plus 7 by 3 square plus 10 by 3q dot 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 dot. All students solve this question.
Sir, answer is 3.
Answer 3. Wait 1 minute. All students solve. Sanjay, what answer? Sanjay.
Sir, doing, sir.
Hmm. Complete the inform me.
Sir, sorry, sir. 15/4, sir.
15/4. Wait 1 minute. I don't know answer. What answer? Any student solve? All students solve this student. Sanjay, what answer? Sanjay, Ronak, Abhishek, Karthik, what answer? Vashni, Vashni,
Sir, solving, sir.
any student solve? First, AP what? 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10 dot dot dot. So this is A is equal to 1, D is equal to 3, D is equal to
Yes, sir.
3. Up now, second term, GP. So 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 27 dot dot dot. This is a question. A is equal to 1, R is equal to 1 by 3. Yes or no? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
A formula, what formula your formula, tell me. Your formula, S infinitive is equal to A by 1 minus R plus AD by, no, sorry, DR by 1 minus R whole square. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
A is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 plus D is equal to 3, 1 by 3. This is 1 minus 1 by 3 whole square. This 3 cancel. 3 cancel. LCM 3 minus 1, 2. The 3 by 2 plus this also 3 LCM, 3 by 2, 2 square 4. So 1 by
So 9 by
4 by 9. The 9 by 4. LCM 4. So 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9, what value? 15. The 15 by 4 answer. 15 by 4 answer. Your what answer, Anu?
Sir, 15/4.
Okay. So this type of question ask competition. Easy topic, not tough. Actually, new topic, new point, AGS. So all student, yeah, all teacher understand this topic tough, sir. But this topic not tough. Okay. So this type solve the question AGS type question. So today your sequence series complete.